Hey y'all, I'm Angie. Welcome to my channel where I do stuff. If you're new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a shipment from Kurt over at Hounding Adventures. He recently hit a subscriber milestone and had a giveaway, and I was one of the winners. So let's go ahead and get right into it. He says, "Congratulations on being a winner of my 1,000 follower giveaway. All of the minerals were found by me in my videos except the large polished carnelian agate and yellow onyx. All of these should be wrapped and labeled. There are a few with numbers on them and those have the info listed below." I am excited. All right. This is so cool. Let's see, do I need another light? That might help. That might be too bright, but I'm sure you'll be fine. Oh, wow. And see, I don't think the green, see now you can see that's the real color. The light's washing it out, but look how gorgeous that is. So there's a whole bunch of that in here. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't know, can you see how beautiful that is? Is it focusing? Oh, wow. Oh, this is so cool. Okay. So this is amethyst and bornite. So this is amethyst, and I have to say, I absolutely love this because my birthstone is amethyst. That looks like peacock copper. Is that like the technical term for it? I don't even know. When I was a little kid, my parents and I took a trip up through New Mexico and Colorado, and we went gem and mineral hunting. And I found some peacock copper. At least that's what we called it. Who knows? But I will insert some close footage of this because the color in this is just, I mean, you can't even imagine. It's so gorgeous. And since amethyst is my birthstone, like, I especially love this. So that is so cool. So cool, so cool. So I'm pulling this out because of where it's from. I always said that if ever I got kicked out of Texas, I was moving to Ouray. And depending on who you ask, I've heard some people pronounce it Ouray, some people pronounce it Ouray, but I spent a few summers of my life when I was a little kid in this town, and it was so small and everyone was so nice, and it was just, I mean, it's one of those places where like deer just walk down like Main Street, you know, like, anyway, I love the place. So I'm super excited to see what this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so gorgeous. So this is agate and quartz. Oh my, the most gorgeous little druzy pockets. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I love it, I love it. And so this is stromatolite that was found in the Colorado River in Clifton. Oh, wow. Super cool. It has a gorgeous vein of something running through it. Oh, that is really pretty. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really does help support the channel. And make sure you follow me on all my socials. And I also have Etsy and a podcast and a website. And don't forget to check out Kurt's channel, Hounding Adventures. You'll find his information in the description box, as well as all of the stuff down there as well. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, this is the yellow onyx. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Very pretty. Ooh. Oh, this is super cool. Very pretty. Oh, wow. These are so pretty. So pretty. Oh, wow. The color coming, or the light that's shining right through them. That's so pretty. Ooh. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, awesome. Okay, so these are so pretty. Even like this, like even if you never cut and polished any of them, they're just so cool. Okay. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Oh. So cool. I love it. Ah, beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it. Ah. That is a big hunk. Well, I want to thank Kurt once again for an amazing haul. I appreciate being one of your winners. Thank you. And I can't wait to get my shelf finished so I can put these up and display them all. I absolutely adore them. Thank you so much. Well, y'all, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I hope you'll consider subscribing. And either way, I hope I see you back here next week when I do more stuff. Bye.